Hey guys, so today I wanted to make a video to show you how to change the logic board in the ZTE Rapido Straight Talk phone. To remove the back cover, what you will need to do is just grab the phone. Right here in this bottom corner there's a notch right here. You can stick your thumb right in there and then just work your way around, and then the back cover comes right off. To remove the battery, this notch right here at the bottom, you can just stick your thumbnail right in there and just pry up, and the battery comes out just like that. Then you will need to remove 8 screws out of the back here. Now there's a tricky one right here that has a cover on it, a little plastic cover, so you'll want to pop that off. It's just more like a film actually, and make sure to remove that screw. So they're all the same size. Start in the corner, like a bottom corner like this, with a pry tool of some kind. If you can start prying under it, just carefully under one corner a little bit. And it just has connectors under there that need to pop loose, and just don't get too crazy, but just keep working your way around, and then once you get it close, then this whole thing will just pop right off. To remove the logic board, what we'll need to do is we'll need to remove this connector right here for this antenna wire, and then we'll need to undo this connector right here. So to remove the back frame, what I would recommend is just this brown part flips right up, and then this connector can just slide right out sideways like that. And then it's got one up here as well. This brown part needs to flip up like this, and then that can just go out sideways like that. And then there's a screw here, black screw, and a black screw here. I already removed them, but you'll need to remove them. Keep them separate from the other screws because they're different size. And then so we'll need to go ahead and remove this connector right here for the SIM card and the memory card tray here, and then you can just get under this here and wiggle it up. It's got adhesive under it, and then that comes off. And then we have to go ahead and take this connector loose here too, flip up that brown connector and just wiggle that out. And then the logic board comes right out just like that. To reinstall the logic board, just grab the board, make sure all the connectors are out of the way. Make sure that connector comes in through that hole there. Kind of have to tip it up a little to get it, the headphone jack in where it needs to go. Go ahead and put your 2 screws back in. So after you put your screws in, you put one here and one here. Then next what you will want to do is reconnect your connectors, and make sure that this brown part here of the connector is sticking straight up, because it can get moved pretty easily. Make sure that's pushed in all the way, and then you can connect it right there. And do the same for these 2 connectors. So then next you'll want to reconnect your antenna wire right here. Make sure it's sitting in the groove there once you're all done. And then next you're going to want to grab your SIM tray and memory tray, and you're going to want to connect the connector right in there. And then this has little spots where it needs to sit down, and then it just has adhesive, so you can just press it right down and you're good to go. Next, make sure that your volume buttons and your power buttons are in properly. There's a little nubbin that sticks up in the middle. Those have to be turned up towards you. To put the back frame back together, just grab this and set it on here. I would say start like at the top and just work your way around all the way down through. And go ahead and put all your screws back in. To reinstall the battery, just grab the battery and line up the connectors on the battery to the connectors here. Just slide it right in, just like that. To put the back cover back on, set it on top of here. I'd say start like at the top and work your way down around. Just press it in all the way around. You're good to go. Thanks for watching.